Hey classy people, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day so far. I decided to do a what's in the bag video for you all. I'm nosy. I like to see what people got in their pocketbooks, and I thought it would be a fun video because I've been watching them. So let's jump into it. The pocketbook that I'm carrying today is actually the same handbag that I had yesterday, which was the vintage Kate Spade bow bag. This is a pretty large pocketbook. So I'm going to show you all the pocketbook. It's vintage. I thrifted it. You would not believe where I found this purse. I found this purse at the Goodwill bins in my area. If you're not familiar with the Goodwill bins, the bins, I call it the bins, okay? It's because items that are in this section are not hung on a rack. They're just laid out on tables, okay? No rhyme or reason. You just have to dig through the stuff. And that's where I found this bag. Sitting on a table, waiting on me, girl. She was waiting on me. She was like, come get me, mommy, come get me. That baby was waiting on me because she would clean on the outside and clean on the inside. And I guess people just wasn't paying attention to what she was. Okay. First of all, let's just talk about her color. She is genuine leather, but she's a substantial size purse, and she's just pretty, okay? She's just a pretty purse, a pretty red, okay? You see this, she's called the bow bag because this is like a big bow right here, all right? Functioning. This is a magnet here, okay? Love that, okay? It has, that's the strap. All right, top zippered. Now, what is in the Crystle's bag? And I didn't even straighten it. I want it to be real authentic, okay? I have been wanting purse organizers, and I promise you guys, I've been finding purse organizers when I thrift. This particular piece goes inside another purse organizer. It actually, I'm going to lift it out so you can see it. This actually was a part of another purse organizer. And you see, it's got Velcro on the sides. So I love that. I didn't put the whole organizer in here, even though I could have, okay? So the organizer didn't come with the purse, obviously, but you know, I just want to show you all that. So I'm going to take that out. What's in that purse, girl? What's in that purse? What's in that junky purse, girl? What's in that junky purse? We got my AirPods. I love these things. My husband bought me AirPods, and I have been a fan of them ever since. I act like a baby when I can't find them, or I lose them, or I forget them at home. I'm like lost, like I don't have my cell phone. So my daughter actually gave me the case that's covering it for Christmas. All right, this right here, I'm a new fan of this. This is Bath and Body Works spray Into the Night. I really like the way this smells. I got this free from Bath and Body. You know how they give you free travel size. Okay, this was free, $8.95, free from Bath and Body. What is this? What the heck you been doing, Crystle? What you been buying, girl? First Watch, a receipt from First Watch. I'm not a fan of that place, but they redeemed their self on Sunday. My husband and I went there to eat for Sunday. And look what I got. The lotion Into the Night hand cream. This was a free item as well. This is what got me to liking the scent, okay? So I turned around and got my next free item, and I turned around and got that, okay? What the heck is this? This is real. Burger King receipt. What is this? What you done bought, Crystle? What you done bought? Let me see what the freak this is. Texas Roadhouse. My husband and I went to Texas Roadhouse last night. Okay, what else is in here? Nothing. That's it. That's all for the organizer. All right, what is this? Oh, my shade holder. Guess what? Let's see what's in it. Not a darn thing. Nothing. No shades is in it. But guess what? I don't have any Dolce & Gabbanas, but I got me a Dolce & Gabbana shade case, and it's the perfect size. Found it at the bins. All my big shades fit in this case, and I absolutely love it. Okay, next. I found this freaking planner thrifting. Crystle is the queen of fine stuff thrifting, okay? This is a planner, And I'm about to show y'all this separate because it's getting hot in here. I got to cut my air on. Hold on just a minute. This is real life right here. This is real life vlogging. This is real life YouTubing, okay? Yeah, we real over here. We are authentic. We ain't editing it out. I got to cut the air on before I be a brown puddle in the seat. All right, here we go. What else? Let's dive in. What else, girl? What you got in this darn purse? I ain't even straightened it up for y'all. This thing right here, this is my hand sanitizer spray bottle cover from Bath and Body Works. I paid, I think, $10, $11 for this thing. And let me cut my air down. It's too loud. All right, so this next thing is my Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer spray bottle cover, okay? You cannot find this in the store. They must have discontinued it. All they have is the leopard or cheetah covered prints, okay? I thought I left this in a restaurant. Come to find out, it was in one of my handbags, and I was going through changes. I love my hand sanitizer spray bottle cover. I love to have this in my pocketbook. I like spray over the gel. I just prefer this. I love this little thing. Next, what you got? What you got? You got some lip stuff that you got couponing, no doubt. Okay, love this color. People tend to like this color on me for some reason. Really cute. All right, we got the planner. The planner, we'll show you inside the planner in just a minute. My little Coach, little pouchy thing. I got all my little cards in here because I didn't put a matching wallet in here. Everything is in here. My cards, my cash. Ain't no telling. We ain't going in there because it ain't nothing to see but credit cards and junk like that. This is one of my kids' phones that I'm supposed to be taking to get fixed. And you see, that ain't happened because it's in my pocketbook. A mask. A used face mask. What is this? A paper clip. A paper clip that I had hooked on something. And I done made this paper. I made that paper clip. I embellished paper clips. What is this? What is this? A receipt that is nothing. Let me see. What is this? What is this? Captain D's. Captain D's receipt. What is this? What is this? What is this? What the heck? Where I been? KFC. That don't make no sense. All right. I got a little crumb in there. Ooh, Crystal got a crumb in her pocketbook. Y'all don't need to see that. I got a penny in there. A penny for your troubles. All right. Now, look how big this bag is. First of all, the very fact that they got this little gold little shimmer on that baby makes her super cute, okay? She got this little pocket that zips. I love that, okay? That zips up, has the leather trim. All of this is her little, Kate Spade little tag showing you that she really a Kate Spade, honey. Let's see what this is. Turn her around. She got a pocket right here. She got a pocket right here. It's a gigantic purse. Great size. Great size. And top zip. And she has this little pull tie. Yeah. That baby cute. Literally with this planner. Okay. Y'all know how I am with the stickers. Crystal loves the stickers. I thrifted this planner. This planner had these little colored, it had the little colored sections, but I had to go and purchase the calendar insert. Okay, so I went and purchased that from Office Depot or Staples, whatever you want to call it. And then I turned around and I put one of these on the back of it, which this was a little pad from the Dollar Tree. It fits pretty well, so I just stuck it back there. So yeah, my little day runner, what is it, day timer, little day timer planner that I got from the bins. Goodwill, honey. Yes, yeah, I paid more for the inserts than I did for the planter, honey. I was super excited. Okay, so I still have my happy planner. I just decided to have my bills and things of that nature, little stuff that I need to have on hand, because all the time I don't have my big planner with me. So this one can go right in my purse. And yeah, that is it for the what's in my bag. Yeah, this was fun. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope it made you feel inspired to clean out your pocketbook. Get them receipts out of there, girl. All right, I hope you all have a great day. If you like this video, if it was fun to you, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure you have an amazing day. Okay, ladies? See you later. Bye-bye.